Good morning. I am Dr. S.R. Paraskar. Today I am going to help you to understand the concept of four quadrant operation of electrical drive. Let us consider the torque speed four quadrant operation of electrical drive. In the first quadrant, torque is positive, angular speed omega is positive, therefore the mechanical power Pm is also positive since it is a product of torque and angular speed. In second quadrant, torque is negative, speed is positive and mechanical power is negative. In third quadrant, torque is negative, speed is negative and hence the mechanical power Pm drawn by the drive is positive. In fourth quadrant, torque is positive, speed is negative and hence the mechanical power Pm is also negative. Direction of positive speed, that is forward speed, we consider is as anti-clockwise, arbitrarily chosen. Direction of positive torque will be produce the positive speed as shown in the figure. So it is considered as a forward motoring action. In second quadrant, if the applied torque is negative, then the operation is forward braking, that is regenerative braking. In the third quadrant, when the applied torque is also in the reverse direction, it rotates the drive in reverse direction, which is reverse motoring operation. In fourth quadrant, now if again the torque is negative, that is applied in the reverse direction of rotation, the reverse regenerative braking will be obtained. These possibilities are summarized in the table given below. This table represents the mode of operation. If the speed omega is positive, torque is positive, electrical power drawn by the drive is positive, the operation is forward motoring. If the speed is positive, applied torque is negative, electrical power flow is negative, the operation is forward regenerative braking. Now if speed is negative, torque is also negative, electrical power flow is positive, the operation is reverse motoring. If the speed is negative, applied torque is positive, electric power flow is negative, the operation is reverse regenerative braking. This figure shows the four quadrant operation, that is in first quadrant the operation of drive is forward motoring, in second quadrant operation is forward braking, in third quadrant operation is reverse motoring, in fourth quadrant operation is reverse braking. The four quadrant operation can be easily understood by the lift system. If you are at 10th floor and calling fully loaded cage from the ground floor, it is forward motoring operation. If you are at 10th floor calling empty cage from the ground floor, it is forward braking. If you are at ground floor calling the empty cage from 10th floor, it is reverse motoring. If you are at ground floor calling fully loaded cage from the 10th floor, it is reverse braking. So respectively, the forward motoring represent the first quadrant operation, forward braking is a second quadrant operation, reverse motoring is a third quadrant operation and reverse braking is fourth quadrant operation. So from this concept of lift, you can easily understand the four quadrant operation of electrical drive. Thank you.